Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Omo Adagbo Maths class. We have a problem to solve today. The problem is the angle of a pentagon are x degree, 2x degree, open bracket x plus 60 close bracket degree, open bracket x plus 10 close bracket degree, and open bracket x minus 10 close bracket x degree. Find the value of x. Now the solution. I've already solved the solve the question. The solution will let's look it closely and we're able to see the step I took to solve the question. Now firstly, in any given polygon, the sum of each interior angle can be found using this formula. The formula is open bracket n minus 2 close bracket times 180 degree, where n is the number of sides of in any polygon. So when plug in the data given, you have 5 minus 2 open bracket close then times 180. We have 540. So just follow the steps. Follow closely what I did. See what I've solved. Now when you get to 540 degree, see what I did there. After collecting like stems, putting all the values together, then I have 6x plus 60. Then to make x like a subject of formula, so you collect like terms. So you now have 6x is equals to 540 minus 60. You have 480. When you get to that point, you now divide both sides by 6. When you divide both sides by 6, you have 80. So by the time you solve all through, you get the value for the x is 80 degree. So that's the solution to the question. Just take your time, go through the question again. You can pause the video and watch all the steps I took to solve this. Follow that same step, you continue having the same answer.